Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and in this cute little envelope is a package from, or some goodies from a shop called WhimsynSassy, and I will do my best to leave the link below, but if I happen to forget, please kindly remind me. I love the packaging, it's awfully cute, and oh my goodness. So first, let me pull my envelope out, or my invoice out, and I have a little card and it says thank you. Oh. And it seems to be stuck. And I'm a card maker. Good grief. I think I'm going to have to ruin the envelope. There we go. Thank you. Dear Tammy, thank you so much for your order. Your support means the world to me. I hope you enjoy your charms. This is a little extra inside as a thank you. It was a pleasure to work with you and create for you, Michelle. Oh, how sweet. So this is, like I said, a company called WhimsynSassy, and they make stitch markers. Oh my gosh. And she did give me some cuties. So I ordered some Pancake ones that I thought were too cute. And these are made out of polymer clay. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. So it has pancake with butter on top and then syrup, and it's kind of flexible so it won't get like stuck on the yarn or snag anything. It's really cute. Oh my gosh. They're pancakes with syrup. That is so cute. And I love the little organza bags that they come in. And then I also ordered the pink glitter cupcake polymer clay, and I ordered 3 of them, but she included a little extra, looks like a little eggplant. That's hilarious. Oh, and these glitter cupcakes are really cute. I don't know if you can see the glitter on the icing, but they are adorable. And these were on clearance. They are too cute. That's hilarious. That's cute too. And then I asked for the stitch marker of the month kit, and these are knitting gift ideas. You get a monthly subscription of 12 months, and it's going to ship monthly, and I think this is the one that I got for this month. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. There's a little snowball and a Christmas light and a Christmas tree and a cute little Santa glove and a coffee or hot cocoa, whatever you want it to be. I love this snowball. Look how cute, and it's glittery. And so this is 12 months, and I get stitch marker set every month, and I think that sounds pretty cool. I was pretty excited about that. So it's, gosh, 50, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. It was $73, but then I got a 25% discount, I think. So it was less than $5 a month, and I get a little present every month for the whole year. And I just thought it was really cute. So I'm kind of excited about that. And I do love stitch markers. They really help a lot. So these are super cute. I am going to be happy to use them. So yay! That's really cute and fun. I'm excited. So thanks for watching. And again, this is WhimsynSassy, and I will try to remember to link it below. But if I forget, please kindly remind me, and I'll be happy to do that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.